and my continent is Africa.
Australia.
Australia. The I'm reporting on the Tasmanian devil and the dingo. The Tasmanian devil is found in Tasmania, eats meat, it is round, but runs fast. It's extinct. What does it say?
Australia.
Australia. Oh, I was supposed to write in.
It's
I forgot to write in.
It's extinct in Australia.
The dingo. The dingo is a wild dog. It doesn't howl. It doesn't bark. It howls. Likes to eat sheep. It is illegal to have one as a pet.
Is it related closely to some other animal?
I don't know. Wolf.
Wolf.
It's closer to the wolf than the dog, but it looks like a house dog. But it's more related
much
to the
bigger.
wolf.
Yeah, it's much bigger.
And isn't that interesting that it doesn't bark like your dog, but it howls like a wolf?
It looks like a dog.
I want you to point out, this is a picture of the Tasmanian devil. And where are they found?
In Tasmania.
Yeah, this is a little bitty island off of the big island of Australia. So this little island, that's where they all live now. You won't find any Tasmanian devils in Australia. They're extinct in Australia. But if you go to that island of Tasmania, that's where you find the Tasmanian devil.
Dog right there. No. This is that. Yes. Yeah, that's a dingo. And I drew these.
What's going on in those pictures? Why don't you tell us about them?
There is a dingo. The dingoes, since they like to eat sheep, they built fences around the sheep. So dingoes can't jump and get them. They can't bite them. They can't jump over the fences because the fences are extra high. I colored this picture.
It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
I love the labeling that you did too in the picture that you drew.
Oh, I didn't label.
I know, but on your drawing you did. Yeah.
The dingo is like
Hunting.
hunting on the sheep.
Mhm.
And the Tasmanian devil is like sneaking up on a person. But they do have these big red dots on their face. That's what's making them extinct.
Wow, they look pretty vicious, those Tasmanian devils.
Yeah, that's what I saw pictures. One had one like literally on its eye, its nose. That it's making them very sick.
Oh,
So they're
that's sad.
like
That's too bad.
I couldn't print it. I couldn't print the pictures because I didn't have enough room.
Okay. Well, you
But
did
yeah,
a great
that
job
was
though. I like the facts that you wrote all over. And
Yeah,
the
it's
map
very
is
nice.
like awesome. Your hand drawings
My,
are good.
my, my mom printed this
Oh,
out.
good. You have to tell her, thank you for that, we like it. Would you like to ask some questions? Answer.
Yeah. Do you know how far you run? Dingo? Probably 50 to 60 miles.
I was gonna say the Tasmanian devil.
Probably 5 to 10 miles per hour. Jaden.
Yeah, think of your question, remember.
do they live up to?
Which one?
The dingo.
Probably 2 to 3.
Oh, I think they probably live, probably more like 10 years or something,
Yeah,
maybe.
kind of like
Dog.
Johnny, how big are the babies?
The Tasmanian devil. Probably about that big.
Even though the Tasmanian devil is really cute, it is kind of mean and buggy. So I
like
wouldn't
that
pet one.
picture.
Yeah, see? He's like,
But only like in a pet store you can touch stuff.
Yeah, they won't sell them in pet stores.
nothing.
Is it illegal?
Yeah,
Yeah,
They're meant to be
it's
in the
illegal to
wild.
have any of them.
either. Well, yeah. Yeah, you can't ever have.
All right, one more question,
Wild
Ethan.
animals are illegal to have.
Does the dingo have any predators?
People.
Not predators. Not predators.
No.
Yeah, no predators.
I don't think so.
But I know prize.
All right, let's give Ethan a hand.
Oh, my